I mean, what a difference a year makes.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. Last year we were looking at this. Category 3 making landfall there. Now at its peak it was at Cat 5. It was one of the strongest hurricanes in the Gulf. So thank goodness it died out a little bit. It got tangled into a front, some dry air moved in, and it just was a tornado spawn.
Wow.
Just like in Tornado Alley, with a hurricane too. All right, so we do have a storm out there right now, but it's nothing we need to worry about. It's Tropical Storm Jerry, soon to become a hurricane over the weekend, and most likely will become a hurricane as it moves north of the islands. It's not going to have a direct hit on the islands, but they'll get the fringe effects of possible tropical storm conditions here. That's why they have a tropical storm watch out here for maybe some bands moving on through, some heavy rain and some gusty winds. That'll be for tonight, tomorrow. After tomorrow, it pulls northward and then over the weekend becomes a hurricane. It even banks it right before getting to Bermuda, so no direct impact on any landmass here, no landfall on any landmass. This will stay out to sea. The model's pretty good agreement. There's still a widespread late in the game, but a pretty good agreement that it's going to move northward and stay well east of us. After this, I don't see anything else out there for now. Remember, hurricane season goes through November.